Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A22 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper, which is really very quite simple. If you want to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A22, you need to click here setting, and after click over setting you need to click here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you need to click here my wallpapers, where you're going to see the pre-loaded wallpaper by Samsung, which is really very nice and beautiful picture. If you want to set any of them, for example, I would like to set this picture. When you long press over there, you're going to see there is a pop-up which is saying set as wallpaper on your home screen, lock and home screen, which one you want. For example, I would like to set this picture on my home screen, and then you're going to see the preview how the picture going to be looks like in your home screen. So let me click here set on home screen, and then this picture is going to be set in my phone home screen. If I go back, if I completely go back, you're going to see just now it's appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. Now you might be looking for to save your favorite picture. For that, you need to click in your phone settings section, click here wallpaper, and in this time you need to click here gallery. After click over gallery, you're going to see the picture available in your phone. For example, I would like to save this picture, and then I'm going to click here done, and now a screen going to be pop up. Do you like to save this picture on your home screen, lock screen, or lock and home screen? In this video purpose, I would like to save this picture in my home screen. So when I click home screen, it's going to give you the preview how it's going to be looks like. Let me make a set on home screen. Now if I go back, if I go completely back, you're going to see just now it's appear new wallpaper, which is just now I made. So within this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.